This is not a real video. This is just a photo talking. Let me show you how I did it. If you love content like this, hit subscribe right now, like the video, and turn on the notifications. I'm Happy Coach. Let's get into it.
For you to convert your photo to AI talking video, you need this prompt. So I've done the work for you. All you need to do is to copy this prompt. So if you need this particular prompt, let me know in the comment section. Just type in prompt and I'm going to send this prompt to you. So copy this prompt, then you head on to this website, which is Google Flow. So once you get to Google Flow, log in, make sure you log in with your Google account or your email if you have not signed up before. Now, if you have signed up, if you have logged in, we are going to see an interface like this. Then come down to this place, click on new projects. Once you click on new project, now look at this place, click on this place, we see nano banana. Yes, make sure you put it on image. We are generating image, not video, so make sure you put it on image. Then for the aspect ratio, depending on what you want to create, if it is TikTok, you use 9:16, but I'm using it for YouTube, so I'm going to click on 16:9. Then I'm going to click on multiply by 1. That is, I want to generate just one image. Now, if you want to generate two images, that's fine. That is, maybe you want to compare two images they want to use. So I'm going to click on +1. Then I'm going to click out. Now, once you have done that, come down to this plus icon, click on the plus icon. It's going to take you to your phone gallery, and I'm going to select the photo I want to use. Do you get? Select the photo or image you want to use. So I'm going to select my photo. So once you have bring it in, then I'm going to paste the image prompts here. So I'm going to click it here. So I've pasted it now. Once I've done, then I'm going to click on send. It has finished generating. Then once it has generated, you see this download button up. Click on the download button and click on the original size. It's going to be downloaded to your phone gallery. So you can see these images. You can see how amazing and lovely these images is. And if you look at the background, you can see that the background is nice. It actually looks like studio. This is looking real. Another thing is that if you don't like a particular image it generated for you, maybe the outfit or any other thing, you can actually ask the Google Flow to regenerate another one for you. Like the first one I generated, it was actually beautiful and attractive than this one. So you can always regenerate. Okay, I tried to regenerate another one and I've pasted the prompt again. So I click on send. So it gives me this. So this is the image it generated for the second one. Okay, so now the next thing for us is to generate our AI talking video. Now for you to generate your video, you need a script. What you want your image to say. Now, this is my own script. Now, this is an intro for one of my videos. Do you get? So I've written down the script. Now, what I will do is that I have to split the script into bit by bit. The reason is because Google Flow cannot generate more than 8 seconds video at once. So you have to take it step by step. So I'll split it into bit by bit. You can see that I've given gap. So I'll copy it bit by bit. Now for the first one, you can see that I put here, using Nigeria accent is very, very important. My script starts from here. AI movies with multiple talking character are trending right now on social media, and you want to up on this. Today I want to teach you how to create AI movies. So with multiple talking character. So I've split it. Now, before in the beginning, make sure you put using Nigeria accents. Do you get? So I'm going to copy the first part of this place. I'm going to copy it, then go to Google Webflow. I'll go and paste it there. Do you see? So let me just copy it. So once you are done, go to Google Flow. So when you get to Google Flow, you click on new project. It's going to bring out this interface. Then you are going to click this side which says Nano Banana. Then you are going to click on video. We want to generate video. Don't forget. So for the aspect ratio, I'm going to select 16.9. But if you are using it for TikTok, depending on you, you can choose 9:16. Then I'm going to click on multiply by 1. I want to generate just one video. And one video requires 20 credits. So one thing about this app is that it gives you 150 credits. So if you finish your credit, you can actually sign up with another email account and generate your image and video. That is what I did. The first I used one email to generate video, and it's finished. So I sign up with another email account and it works. So once you have done that, now what you are going to do is, now that you have done the setting, now you are going to click on, you see start and end. So I'm going to click on start. Then you see a upload button here. Click on the upload button here. It's going to take you to your phone gallery. Then I'm going to select the image the image we downloaded, that image that we generate for Google Flow. Remember this particular image, yes, I'm going to click on it. Then I click on done. It's going to be uploaded. Then I'll click on end also. Click on end, go to the upload button here. It's going to take you to your phone gallery. Upload the image we generate from Google Flow. So I'm going to select that again, and good. Then it's going to be, now we have our start and end. Now once you have done that, then you are going to paste the script, the first part. Don't forget the first part. You are going to paste it here. You can see it. Don't forget the first part. Make sure you put using Nigerian accent. You want your video to talk naturally like a Nigerian lady. So once I'm done, then I'm going to click on send, and we are going to wait for a few seconds or few minutes. Our video is going to be generated. You will see how natural, the gestures, the mannerism, it looks real. So you can see. So let's just listen to our video.
AI movies with multiple talking characters are trending right now on social media, and you want to up on this. Today, I want to teach you how to.
Okay guys, you can see how amazing this video is. You can see the gesture, the mannerism, the way she moves her hand. You can see that it actually looks real. So this is how to create your video. So what you are going to do is to click on the download button here. You are going to see original size. Just click on that and it's going to be downloaded to your phone. Now we have not done with the script. So we still go back to our script, copy the second part. So once you copy the second part of the script, go to Google Flow, then click on start, upload the image we downloaded from Google Flow, the same way we did for the first one. Click on it, upload the image. Once you have uploaded the image, then you can now paste the prompts. So once I'll put the prompt here, then I'm going to click on send. Then our second video will be generated. Do you get? So this is the second video. So once it's generated, you click on the download button and it's going to be downloaded to your phone gallery. So that is out. So let's listen to the second video.
Cronies. Create AI movies with multiple talking characters, step by step. Before we get into the full video tutorial, you are welcome. My name is Happy Coach. If you love this kind of content and you haven't subscribed to my channel,
so you are going to repeat the same process for all these other parts of the script. Do you understand? So you finish the script. So what you have done, now the next step is to compile our video together. And to do that, you are going to use an editing app, which is CapCut. So let me just quickly show you. So I'm going to click on CapCut to open the app. So once you have done that, click on create. Then it's going to take you to your phone gallery. Now I'm going to select all the video that I downloaded. So one after the other. So once you have selected the video, then click on add. Then it's going to be imported to CapCut. Now the next thing is for you to to listen to the video and cut out the part that you feel that doesn't make sense or where there is silence. So once you have done that, then you are going to click on export and you are good to go. So that is that. So we have come to the end of our video. If you find this video helpful, do well to hit the subscribe button. Make sure you like this video and give this video a thumbs up. Bye.